Hello everyone and welcome back to the new series in learning how to format and build our thesis using Microsoft Word. In today's session I'm going to focus on the cover page. So we'll start create our styles. Now new style, create new style. Then we give it a name, cover page. Then we modify the color, bold. The font size should be 18 and Times New Roman. Should be all caps, so select fonts and then all caps. Okay, the paragraph should be centered. Now single spacing and click OK. Also from here we can select the single spacing and also the alignment. So click OK. Now we'll start writing. For example, a model of accepting using or adopting SaaS cloud computing in Malaysian universities and empirical investigation. So this is the title. For easy understanding, we can go to layout and give numbers. So we start each page with numbering, so we can know in which line we could fill the other requirements. Now this is the first line, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Here we will write the name. So we'll write the name, cover page, Tawfiq Hail Gilan Al-Madhaji, and then we'll go further to the next lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, until we reach to line number 27. So this is line 27. We'll write the university name, University Sains Malaysia, and then we go to line 30. So the date is 2019, and then we'll have page break. We'll go to the next page. So this is page break, or insert section break, and go start a new section. Here we have the same thing, and just copy the title. Title should be here, and then this is line number 4, this is number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We write the word by, and should be in lowercase, so highlight it. Then we go to lowercase as it is shown here. Then we'll go to line number 18, 19, 18. We'll write the name, Tawfiq Hail Gilan Al-Madhaji. Then we'll go to line number 23. So 23, we write Thesis submitted and the fulfillment of the requirements, then shift enter of the degree of, then shift enter, let's say Doctor of Philosophy. Here it should be the font size should be 12, and here sentence case, and here capital. Then we will go to line number 25, then we'll go to number 30 to insert the date. So this is 30. We'll just write the month, January 2019. Sentence case. Now we'll have extra 2 lines, first and second. Then we will have a break, section break, after 2 lines, 32, so section break. Here we can also highlight these, and we just insert like this and select the cover page. So we finished. This is the cover page, and this one for the first page of the thesis. Now we'll go to acknowledgement, or the pre-chapters, like we are going to create a new style and just call it pre-chapter pages, pre-chapter based on title. So the size is 12 bold, and then type, font type, and then we'll go to font, should be all caps, and the paragraph settings, we'll go to first line almost 1 centimeter, and here single spacing, and 48 points after the chapter, after the title. So also it should be, here we go to modify, should be centered, so click OK. So here the acknowledgement, acknowledgement, and then here we have the acknowledgement, the pre-chapter. We have here the table of contents, and then here we have a list of tables, and then we have here list of figures, and the next page we'll have list of plates if we have, and then pre-chapter, and here we have list of symbols, and then we have here list of abbreviations, pre-chapter. Just click here, maybe we can just go to the next page. We'll go to abstract. Here we have abstract, the abstract in another language, which is Malay, or as it is required here in Malaysia. And here we have again the title of the thesis. So we start writing or configuring the title at the abstract level. So we'll create new style, create new style. I'll give it a name like abstract title, and then I will modify it based on title. I'm going to select title and this paragraph, okay, the color bold, and then the size is 12, double spacing, center, and then we have the font, which is 24, so double 24, centered, okay, so everything is okay. It should be also a capitalized for each word. So we'll go to font, all caps, then click OK, click OK. We start writing the title, or we can just copy it from here again. Control C, and then Control V, and then Control V. Okay, just delete this one. We'll just give it, just highlight, and then go to abstract title. It's abstract, this is abstract title. So this is abstract title, and this is the abstract. We'll give it also another style. Just create abstract, new style, and give it the name of abstract. Paragraph, normal, and then font size should be 12, bold, automatic, or black, and the Times New Roman for the font type. We'll go to paragraph, it's single spacing, 24, so 24 points the spacing after the word abstract, so should be centered also, and things should be okay. We have the same thing, this is for another language, which is the Malaysian, and here, and should be capitalized here. So we'll just go modify and go to font and select all caps checkbox, and then click OK. Now we'll go to the same thing and just copy this one. It will use the same format, and just go to paste and keep the source formatting. Then, or just to be sure, just highlight here and you'll find it selected by abstract title, the same style that we created earlier. So for the abstract, now we have abstract, so everything now is ready, and this chapter 1. So now we created the pre-chapter titles, and also the title and all the cover information that should be used here. And sorry, here it should be the size is 12, so here 12, and it should be by lowercase. That's the final check, and this is the first page. Here you can highlight also, you can change it to cover page. So now the numbering we could just remove them by going to layout and just select none, so it is not here, and again select none. So now just we made it easier for the one who wants to know how many lines you should leave from top to the bottom of the page. Now everything is ready. I hope that things are clear until now. The last thing to do is to create the abstract paragraph. We can create another style, just call it abstract paragraph. We can modify the style, is linked to paragraph normal, and then we'll give it the size of 12, and now the font size should be here 0. The font size, it should be 0, justified, and regarding the spacing is double spacing, and also it should be indented, the first line, and the default size 1.27. So now everything is okay, double, and that's it. So here we can write the abstract. We can start writing the abstract, and later on we can, this is the abstract paragraph, we can start writing the abstract in this part for the thesis. We can also generate a paragraph just like this, equals rand, maybe 4 paragraphs with 5 sentences, and then enter, and just make it smaller. Maybe we could delete some of the paragraphs, and that looks fine. So this is the abstract paragraph, and this is the abstract, the thesis title and abstract title. And in the next session I'm going to explain the other things related to the list of tables and list of figures. I hope this was informative, and if there is any inquiry that you would like to explain more, kindly write down the comments, and I'll be grateful to receive all your suggestions, and anything that you want to explain more, just write it down. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Have a nice day.